Industrial Company Limited, was established in 2006 and have been one of the leaders in production and exportation of superior quality sportswear. Our design team ensures that our styles always match our superior quality and benchmark with international standards. Both of factories are located in the heart of Shantou City with convenient transportation. We manufacture a wide variety of yoga wear, including leggings, sports bras, and many others. We are proud of our 300 well-trained employees. Our monthly production capacity is over 150,000 pieces, highly flexible, fairly responsive, and meeting your lead time. We have many years of experience in OEM and ODM service. Our professional sales team can offer you professional advice and one-stop customized service, including logo, label, and packing. We have passed CTTC test and own sewing machines imported from Japan and Germany of 4 needles 6-thread stitch, flat stitch overlock stitch. We have an experienced quality teams who follow the international standards in order to make sure each of our products to meet with customers' requirements. We also provide after-sales service to guarantee our customers are satisfied with our products and service. Welcome to visit our operation and seek solution for us to provide you superior apparel. Join us now. Build a brilliant future and a win-win relationship with us.